to see where your knees are so that you know how to train them. So you can do the seated or you can do the standing. All I want you to do, let's go with the left leg first, heel off the ground. And then what I want you to do for 5 seconds, just push the ball with your foot into the ground. Ready? Push so that if you wanted to, you can come off your foot, pushing, 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 relax. Same thing, push the ball, the foot into the ground, pushing, 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 relax. Where do you feel it contracting? Where do you feel it tight? Quad? You broke your leg, you demonstrate. Okay, good. Alright, so you can feel it in the knees, some people feel it in the ankles, and that's the focus of when I see a trainer, I get away from the mirror muscles and focus on making sure that grandma can chase after her grandchild without being afraid of tearing something, okay? So now let's do the other side, and same thing off of your heel, and now push into the ground for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax so you'll feel your quad tight, you'll feel your calf tight, and one more time. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay, cool. All right, how many people felt it more in their ankles? How many people felt it more in their quads? Okay, cool. So what I want you to do now is we're going to do a smaller version of a super squat, which the real terminology is a Hindu squat. Anybody think of a Hindu squat? Hindu squat done by old wrestlers, or where you breathe in, you go like this, you squeeze your back muscles, you keep your body straight, and then you come down all the way like this, and then you breathe out. So you're not just engaging your quads, but you're engaging everything. Make sense? So what I want you to do, really simply, is you're just going to squeeze your back muscles together, so put your step together, come off your heels, and I just want you to come down like that. Just like that, and just hang out. Now, if your ankles are doing this, or your knees are doing this, there might be a message your body's giving you. Okay, now stand up. Let's do it one more time. Try to go a little bit lower, your own pace. Okay, ready? 5 seconds. Breathe in, back straight, down like this, and come down. Hold it, and then straighten your legs. How many people felt it more in their upper thighs and their quads? Raise your hand. Cool. How many people felt it more in their knee or right above their knee? Raise your hand. So the more that you feel it in your quads, the more whatever you're doing in your life is making sure that your knees are strong. The more you feel it in the tendons and ligaments of your knees, your body's telling you, hey, do me a favor. What? Strengthen it. And you can do this just by standing like this, or sometimes you can take a basketball and put it up against the wall like this, and just squat down, or you could just really stand and do dynamic flexion as hard as possible, and just take one leg off the heel, push as hard as you can into the ground for 5 seconds. Push, 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 relax. Other leg. Off the heel, breathe in, breathe out, push, 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 relax. Now same thing, off both heels. Do it so that you're not the flying counter space. You're going like this, push the big take off, push, 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 and relax. That little bit will make sure that later on in life you don't have any knee injuries because everything around your knee is going to be strong. How many of you